Hello. It's weekend 2 of trying to crab at Ocean Beach again.
It makes me hungry.
Oh, but this time we got reinforcements.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We're here with the boys and their parents. They're making sandcastles, and the adults are trying their hand for crabs. Oh, they're making Hogwarts out of sand. Ta-da! This is what we are working with this morning. I don't know if you can tell, but I helped you.
I need more sand!
Okay! You're gonna do it? I taught him how to make the perfect sand castle. Let's see if it works. Make sure you wiggle it very gently. Straight up. Woo! That was pretty good. You can make stairs on that too. Aww. I taught Theo how to make stairs. That's what he's working on. Let's see the progress of the stairs. How you doing? He's working on it. At the end of the day, we're gonna have Hogwarts in San Francisco.
And hopefully no one cursed it.
And
This is for the live thing. Animal. Cursed child.
what? They saw the billboard for Harry Potter and the Cursed Child on our way into San Francisco. So they're saying that this is for the live show. We're making Hogwarts. Well, anyways, I've been working on the sandcastle with the boys for a bit. Now I'm gonna go out and try to cast a couple of times, see how it goes. And yeah, wish me luck, boys.
Okay. Theo, just help me work on the lake. What?
Alright, when you guys are ready to put the sandcastle on top, let me know and I'll help you, okay? Or you could do it on your own too if you want, but you could ask me for your help. Sounds good? Well, have fun making Hogwarts. So precise. I love your precision. Okay, let's go cast stuff. Alright, so far, how many crabs did you guys get?
1.
Who caught it?
Daddy.
Where is he?
Okay.
You caught one, right? You caught the first one! Woo!
Oh, whoa! That was heavy. Oh!
We're good! I did not get wet in my boots. You good? Well, right now it's low tide, so we're gonna try our hand. Oh, Danny! He's like all the way over there. He didn't get anything. That's okay. We're gonna keep trying. What?
I saw Santa, but it disappeared.
Aw. So far, no luck on the crabs. But the boys are having fun. They're on an epic mission for finding really cool seashells. Give them the challenge of looking for whole ones. But we found a lot of cool broken ones too. Even some sea glass. But other than that, no other luck for the crab. Except that one that their dad caught. See them all the way over there. See the boys and their waders closer up shore. And then the ones that are closer into the water. The one on the left is the kid's dad. The one on the right is their mom. And if you go all the way over here, a little dot in the distance in the water is Danny. Hope he's doing an okay job. They got one! I heard a woo from over there. I think they got one. Very pretty today. Danny's living his best life even though he hasn't... Actually, he did catch crab earlier. He caught a 6-inch. Building sandcastles in the sand. Yep. Alright, tell me what happened.
I was making a big,
A moat?
technically not a moat,
a lake?
place where we can go inside. I tide coming in.
Yeah, the tide is getting higher out of nowhere. And look, you can see where he dug. Now it's all filled up. I mean, it technically worked. Now you have to make a wall. Timmy made a mini castle over there, and it got protected because he made a wall around his little castle thing. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, I'm blocking it. But it looks really cool. Almost got wiped away. But yeah, this was a totally deep moat for a second. Now Theo's gonna make a wall. It's pretty sad about it. You did so good though.
Can you go speed?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. 60 second speed?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna help you dig for 60 seconds. What do you want me to do? Tell me what you need.
I need a wall. Like right there.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do my best.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's 1 minute, but keep going.
Oh, okay. Tell me when it starts to look good.
We might gonna have to compact it.
Yeah, you're gonna do that. I made a leg in the process.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. Uncle Danny's all the way out there, not enough hesitation.
Okay, how's it looking now?
Pretty good. Just a little more. Huh?
How much more do you want?
Just a little bit more. Until it reaches 5 minutes.
Got some good sand up there.
Nice. Try to get some regular sand.
About to do the split.
That's good.
Am I done?
Yeah. I can't hold this for no longer.
Okay. Make your wall. Thank you, sir. Now have fun making your wall. I don't even know if you can tell how high this is. It's a good pile. Okay, I'm gonna go cast while you guys play. Okay, have fun. You are playing in the puddles, sir. Are you wet inside? Really? Wow, impressive. Look at that, it's like 1/3 of a Disney castle. Looks pretty good. Are you gonna make stairs?
No.
Okay.
It's just that I need to fill in this part.
Okay, I think you should make a bigger wall, just in case.
Oh.
You okay? You got, oh!
Oh no.
The shovel. What?
The wall.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming! And reinforce your wall! Oh goodness.
You need to do it on the side to do it.
You need a higher wall, Timmy, a higher wall!
Yeah.
You do that side! Yep. Definitely gonna be future engineers.
It's so hard.
You got this. Stick your foot on the top of the shovel.
I know.
Oh my goodness. I really like your castle though. I need to watch you? Okay. I will watch you.
I just want to go home and play some Fortnite.
Oh, you need more mats. Build, build, build.
Oh, the wall's working.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. I want to go home and play Fortnite. Me too, bud. He's kind of helping.
No, I'm trying to be a cannon.
Thank goodness.
Make them work harder.
Why aren't there no cannons in Fortnite?
There is.
I mean on Battle Royale, but yeah, I know, because I did this castle escape with you.
Yeah, it's just that they wanted to change the whole entire game.
Oh, I see.
It's messed up that bit. Ah!
Build, build! You're doing a great job, Timo. The wall's working at least. The tide actually came in pretty close. Whoa!
This is how you harvest back.
Imagine if you were trying to build as fast as you did in the game, but in real life.
So hard.
So hard. You're only making one wall. It takes you half a second to make a wall in Fortnite. This is taking you what? 20 minutes? Actually, I did the half of that wall in like 2 minutes. Build! You're doing a great job. Imagine Uncle Danny though. He must be so tired. He's been standing all day.
That's why I'm sitting.
Yeah. I just realized that you can see Danny in the background this whole time. There's a little beach dot right here.
This is how I make the drip sand.
How? You dig a hole?
I dig a hole, put some dirt in it, and start mixing.
Ah.
Boom, drip sand.
Okay, I'm gonna go cast, okay?
No, stay.
Huh?
Gotta stay.
I gotta get a crab. I'll come back in 5 minutes again.
Look, 300 hard.
300 seconds. You can count again.
Show, look. Hard. Right here. Hard. Let's build a wall.
Your river looks pretty good though. Alright, I'm gonna go cast. I'll come back in 5 minutes, yeah? See ya.
I'm not counting.
Okay. Okay, I just casted my last cast. Update. The reel fell off in the middle of me reeling it in. And it fell in the sand. Hopefully the sand didn't go in the reel, otherwise it's gonna ruin it. But so much for getting my last chance for my last crab. The boys, on the other hand, look at the wall.
My hard labor didn't even pay off.
It will pay off. It's gonna block the waves in about half an hour when we're gone. But it's time to leave the beach now, boys.
Take a picture of it.
I'm taking a video of it. This is Timmy's beautiful mountain Matterhorn bobsleds. And then this is, wait, what is this? Mount Everest. And their mom is still out there trying to get one last crab. She did one last cast and then she actually got a crab and then she was like, okay, one more. Well, I'm gonna head up. Boys, you wanna come with?
Yeah, we have to anyways.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on, let me just make this tiny hole so the water can get in.
Do you guys want me to take a picture of your masterpieces with you?
Hold on. Ah! They didn't even have time to go up there.
Yeah. Well, hopefully we can come again soon because I think your parents really like crabbing this way, even though it's really hard, but I don't know. It's worth it. They got a lot today. I didn't get any. Uncle Danny got one. Let's see who won today. What's your bets? Who do you think won? Your mom or your dad?
Daddy.
Yeah? We'll see.
Mommy, she's still fishing.
She just caught one.
Look.
Her last cast, she just caught one. Oh, goodness.
Actually, I think Mommy's going.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, well, let's take these pictures and then we'll head out.
I just make my notes. Let me just wash.
It looks amazing. Okay. Well, there you have it. That is our second day of crabbing at the beach. It was more of a success than it was last week. But we're gonna head home because I think we're hungry and we're gonna go enjoy these Dungeness crabs. Actually, hopefully I'll turn on the camera to show you all the crabs that we got. So, hope you enjoyed our random vlog of his hard labor and just having a fun beach day with the kids, and our noses are runny, so it's time to go.
No.
It's too cold. You're gonna get sick again.
Yay. I don't have to go to school.
Yeah, and then I have to take care of you. Yay. This is the final piece, masterpiece of Hogwarts. You guys want to write your initials on the castle? So they know, all of China will know that you were here. But yeah, they built like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 towers? 11?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
And they found a bunch of cool shells. They found like
Yeah, TD!
horseshoes and like whole like clam shells and mussel shells and decorated the castle. And they did a little bit of drip. Timmy, you did a great job. Theo, you too.
Stairs are ruined.
The stairs are ruined. Show me Hagrid's hut.
Hagrid's hut is over there, but it's ruined again.
This was Hagrid's hut right here.
There's Quidditch. Quidditch is still there.
This is the Quidditch pitch.
Here's Mr. Dumbledore.
And yeah, but this is our sandcastle. Probably the best.
We made 10 watchtowers.
Is this the best sandcastle you've ever made?
Yes.
I think it's the best sandcastle I've ever seen. Good job, boys.
Oh, shit, take good care of it.
Until next time. Hello,
Bye-bye.
Cliff House. Goodbye, Cliff House. Say bye, boys.
Bye.
Bye. Where's the other one?
Yay.
Timmy, that's your butt.
Goodbye. With depression.
Depression. Get up. I just whacked him with a fishing pole. I'm sorry. Goodbye.